Vlogmas day 11. Today is the day we'll actually be decorating the Christmas tree right here, guys. So this is the space I've chosen for decorating the Christmas tree. And like I showed in the last vlog, we have already got like a new Christmas tree, a big one this year. And the small one, probably I'll keep it in the room. But this year we are going to decorate the big Christmas tree here. We have like a lot of ornaments that we'll be putting on the Christmas tree. All these things we have got from the market, which I showed in one of my vlogs. I think in the 9th vlog I have shown. So all this we'll be putting in the Christmas tree. This basket actually my mum had made. She made this by herself. So this is the basket that we have. And I've kept all the decorations in this. Plus also we have decorations from the last year. Some of them we still have left. So probably we'll make use of that as well. So first I want to see how big is the Christmas tree, guys. Okay, so this is the first time I'm buying this Christmas tree, right? So this is how it looks, and we have more parts which we'll have to like assemble. So this is how we have the Christmas tree, and we'll have to assemble this now. So let's see how to do it, guys. Plus we also have this stand at the bottom. So I think we'll have to place this first. Okay, so this is the bottom stand, and on top of this we'll have to fix with the screws, I guess. Okay, we found it, guys. So this is the one that goes in the bottom, and then we have 3 screws that we'll have to put it here. So let's do that. Okay, these screws are not going fully inside, guys. I don't know why, but till a certain extent it is gone. So I think this should be good. Let's try to mount it now. Not bad, guys. It's actually standing well. We'll keep the next part and then see the final result, how it is. So this should be the second one. I'll already open it up from here. Wow, it is looking so beautiful, guys. This is the last and the final part, which goes right on top. So first we will spread this out. Okay, guys, so this is how the Christmas tree looks. It looks actually very pretty, but only this part I don't know why it is like this, and I don't know where it has to bend, so I'm bending it like this so that it looks a little bit more like a Christmas tree. And then I think I'll have to like spread these out more. So let's do that. Okay, guys, now the tree is set. It looks very nice, and next we will add few lights and then the ornaments after that. Added some lights. This is probably how you should not add lights in a Christmas tree. I have just put it here and there, but probably I'll change it later. Now it is time to add some ornaments, guys.